Yeah, today I'm going to show you in this video how to connect an SSH from the Windows PC. So it's a we already have that the key file, and also we have that the public IP address, that is the same, and you need to download that the puttygen, yeah, and also the putty. Okay, so both software you require for that. So first I just find the puttygen, and I load the file, the pem file, so I have to convert it to the ppk. Okay, so save the private key, and just same name pk. Okay, I close that and I open again putty, then I type my IP address and I just copy, and the username is Ubuntu. So it is connected, so you can check that our server is connected. So it's welcome Ubuntu 20.04. so you have seen how to connect the Windows, and after that I will show you that how to connect the Linux. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any query, please let me know in the comment section.